In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a subscription tracker in Notion. We'll set up a clean table that keeps every recurring payment in one place, shows you what's due next, and helps you stay on top of monthly costs. Start by creating a new page in Notion. Choose Table under the database options and name it Subscription Tracker. This gives us a flexible grid we can sort, filter, and view in different ways. Now add the essential properties. Keep the default title property and rename it to Name. This is where you'll type the subscription name. Like your favorite streaming service. Add a number property called Amount. Open its formatting menu and switch it to your local currency, so totals are easy to read. Add a select property called Cycle, and create the options monthly, yearly, and quarterly. Add a date property named Next Payment. This is the renewal date you expect to be charged. Click the date to set a reminder. For example, the same day or a few days before, so Notion pings you in time. Add a select property called Status with the options Active, Cancelled, and Pending. Use Active for subscriptions you are currently paying, Cancelled for ones you've ended, and Pending if you are still deciding. Finally, create a select property named Category, such as Streaming, Software, or Fitness, so you can group similar expenses later. Optionally, add a formula property called Monthly Cost to normalize what you are spending. Use a simple formula like if prop cycle equals yearly, prop amount Fay 12. Prop amount, this divides yearly prices into a monthly estimate and leaves all other cycles as. With properties in place, let's set up views. The default view will act as all subscriptions, showing every entry with all your columns. Create a new view called Active Subscriptions. Choose Table and add a filter where status is active. This focuses you on what actually bills. Next, add a linked view of this database and switch it to Calendar. Set the calendar's date property to Next Payment. Now you can scan the month and immediately see what's coming up and when. As you use the tracker, keep amounts current and update status when you cancel something. Sort by next payment to see the nearest charges at the top. That's it for your subscription tracker in Notion. Keep it updated, and it will pay you back and save time and fewer surprises. Thanks for watching.